Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Devika and today I'm going to do a video. It's about simple makeup for school and college girls, and if you want to know how to create this simple look, then keep on watching. And if you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for seeing my videos. So let's get started. Hello friends, so starting I'm going to first moisturize my face with this Garnier cream which is having SPF 19+++, and I'm going to apply this moisturizer in a dot form all over my face, neck, and blending it with the help of my hand so that my face get moisturized nicely. Moisturize your face nicely before applying foundation. So after moisturizing my face, I'm going to use this Lakme foundation which is light weighted, and this will hide my any dark spots anywhere on my face. So I'm taking this on the back of my hand and applying it in a dot form all over my face, underneath my eyes, also apply it all over your neck and cover your ear as well. And I'm going to blend this with my brush. You can also go for the beauty blender, it's upon you. So blend it nicely. So I'm blending this with my brush till I get a natural look on my face. Blend it nicely till you get a smooth finish. All over your face, neck, and ear as well. So I'm taking some more foundation on the back of my hand and I'm going to cover my neck area as well. My jaw lines, ears, wherever you have any pigmentations or dark spots. It's a lightweight foundation, but it do hides any spots and any pigmentation on your face. It gives a mild coverage. You can also go for the BB cream, Lakme CC cream if you want. So I'm applying the second layer of foundation underneath my eyes to cover somewhat of my dark circles. So I'm doing the same on my other side of my eyes. Blend everything nicely well. So I'm done with my foundation, and now I'm using this Lakme Compact to set my foundation all over my face, neck, and ear. My skin is oily, so I need to set my foundation with this compact powder all over your face, neck, and ear as well. Set everything well wherever you have applied the foundation. So after foundation, I'm going to fill in my brows. For this, I'm using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Pro So I'm going to fill my eyebrows. It's a very nice eyebrow kit if you're looking for. If you want me to do a different video about how to fill your eyebrows, then do let me know in my comment section. So for my eyeshadow, I am again taking this my Lakme compact powder and I'm going to blend it over my eyelids so that there is no shiny look and it will give me a soft matte look. So blend it nicely all over your eyes, your inner corners to just get the natural finish. After that, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And I'm going to use my L'Oreal mascara to luminize my eyelashes and make it look bigger. Now I'm going to apply this bronzer on my face, which is from L'Oreal Paris. So this is the kit. I'm going to bronze my face. You can also go for the blush, it's upon you, but I would like to go for the bronzer to give my face a sculpt look, a sunny kissed look. So I'm just using this bronzer to sculpt my face, my cheekbones, my bridge of my nose, chin, my jawlines, forehead, to just give it a natural look. For my lips, I am going to use this lipstick from Max Factor, which is a nude shade, burnt caramel. You can go for any brand nude lipstick. So always moisturize your lips before applying any lipstick. So apply it nicely all over your lips. So yeah, that's it. This is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like my video, then don't forget to like the hit button, subscribe, and do comment me. So till then, take care and bye bye.